Hello to all of you out there on the internet. Welcome to Become Business Bites with me, your host, Ben. This is a series where we're going to explain to you a whole lot of info on how you can better your business. Let's get started. Today's episode is about sharing your bank info with lenders. Now, applying for a business loan can be really exciting and at the same time a little bit nerve-wracking. You're going through this application process, filling out these forms, and then you get to this point where you realize that the lender wants to look at your bank info. Why? And can it be a little bit risky to share that info online? Don't sweat it. We're going to explain to you why it's necessary, what lenders are really looking for, and how Become makes the process safer, quicker, and easier than ever. Whenever you do apply for business funding, any lender is going to need to look at something in order to determine how reliable you are as a borrower. Typically, that info that they're looking for can be found through your bank statements. Now, don't worry, they're not going to be looking at your personal expenses. If you're throwing a lot down the drain on coffee every month, it might be impacting your productivity, but they're not going to take that into account. What they're really looking for are signals and factors that are going to help them see how much you can afford to borrow and how likely you are to make the repayments on time. Now, depending on the lender, there are going to be a variety of factors that come into play. Most of the time, they're going to be looking for things like your monthly bank deposits, your monthly bank balance, any negative balance days, non-sufficient fund alerts, the list goes on. The bottom line is they want to look at this info to determine your business's financial health. That's going to allow them to make this determination. And if they don't have that info, they can't make that measurement and you're not going to get approved for the loan. So either way, at the end of the day, you're going to have to provide this info one way or the other. How does Become do it differently? We're really glad that you asked. So there's no more hunting for bank statements. There's no more scanning, faxing, running to the bank. This is the 21st century, folks. We're going to give you the benefit of technology so that you can link your bank account with one click of the mouse. It's really that easy. Plus, it's going to save you a whole lot of time, energy, and stress, all of which should be better placed into your business, right? You need to be focusing on what's important. Okay, are you still worried about the security aspect? Don't be. We only and always use encrypted networks that are secure on all ends. Plus, we're only given view-only access so that we can only gather the info to forward out to lenders. We don't actually have access to your funds, so if you're concerned about us going on a spending spree on your behalf, you don't need to worry about that. That's just the beginning, though. Become does something that you're not going to find anywhere else when applying for business funding. Yes, we use that data to forward out to lenders the information that they need to make their assessment, but we then use that same data to provide you with unique insights tailored to your business profile. That way you can see exactly which factors are impacting your funding odds the most. Again, this is going to save you so much time and stress of wondering what it is that's affecting your ability to get approved. We're going to tell you straight out so you can, again, get focused on what's important and work on your business. Okay, it helps, it makes it easier and faster, but that's really not it. It's raising your approval odds. You're not going to get approval odds like this anywhere else, and you're not going to get this transparency anywhere else. Folks, we're really happy that you joined us today. We hope you find this information useful. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media, and I'll see you next time on Become Business Bites.